Look at those bad boys right there. Look how crispy they are.
Nah. Really? I don't know. I don't know. So, chicken wings and air fryer. Before I get to that, really? Like, a couple of people have got in touch over the last couple of days since the last episode of the live vlog and said, you know what? We love what you did with the wings, the cherry smoked wings. Can you do any more food stuff? So I'm thinking, food? I'm not really a food vlogger, but we got some cool dishes. So for this, by popular request, I'm doing chicken wings in an air fryer. So first step is get yourself a big ass bowl, just like this. See, that's big enough. Then all you need is flour, an air fryer, and chicken wings, and some salt and pepper to season the flour. So we got all of that. Let's start putting it together. That's the flour. Now let's season it. Salt, pepper, that's all you need, as much or as little as you want, but yeah, let's put a lot. Now, let's just kind of whisk this up a little bit. Next step is our wings, which have been de-tipped. You can do these where you can like crack the knuckle off with a knife if you want, but most butchers will do it and that just takes the pain in the neck out of it. So wings into the flour. Next step is in the air fryer, turn it up to max. On the digital one, this is going up to 200 degrees, which is Celsius. And that's it, except for the one that fell on the ground. We might eat that though, but we won't put that in the camera. And maybe like every 10 minutes, give them a quick toss. Maybe every 7 or 8 minutes, give them a quick toss. So as you can see, like the flour is making those very, very crispy, and it's a light coating of flour. Most of the excess flour is falling off. So yeah, these are going to be good. And we are done. Look at those bad boys right there. Look how crispy they are. So the next thing that you need to do is sauce them however way you want. And that is how you do amazing crispy chicken wings in an air fryer. See you in the next episode of the vlog. Hit the subscribe button right about there. And don't stop fighting for yourself.